So shall an investor like me having a plan to buy an apartment would invest in an agency like Inspire? Yes. In the end, that you're buying a peace of mind, making sure that you are making the right step in terms of, I think I really like the legal and architectural due diligence. And also being French, not being an expert in the Spanish language or the law, it was very comfortable for me to have someone making sure that everything is under control. At the end of the process, it's a big investment. Adding the fees, of course, it will cost you additional money, but you have a peace of mind and you're confident that you've made the right investment.